come on, hit that, hit that. Yes.
Yes! My
Right.
guy. My guy.
Okay, so this is my latest structure.
Okay.
So I am hoping for a nice retest of the structure.
Okay.
Okay.
Chat win.
This could have been, yeah.
Listen, when you don't take a trade, you don't lose money. You know that, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
kind of, but yeah.
Bring your
Right.
charts into the center. Don't get stressed, bro. Don't huff, don't puff. Just bring your charts into the center
Okay.
and wait patiently. I prefer you to take one trade and lose it for the whole hour and a half than take 10 trades and win. Okay.
Okay.
So let's just wait patiently. Talk to me about what's happening with the markets and what you're looking for, please.
Okay, so right now the market's in a clear downtrend. It's made low lows, low highs. It's broken below this latest low to create lower lows. So I'm looking for a retest of this area or a double top for further continuation to the downside.
So you're looking for a retest. Okay, my bro. Make it happen.
Yeah. Okay. So the market was consolidating for a bit. It broke past this consolidation. So this is my new structure for now.
Nice.
So I'm looking for a wick rejection.
Okay.
I think this will do.
Okay.
I'm actually
Fine.
a wick rejection or a momentum candle to the downside.
Okay. No, take that back. Take that back to the top left. Work with it in the top left, please. Right.
Okay.
That's it. So what are you doing? Are you taking a trade?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a sell stop.
Okay. Now, before you take this trade, okay, I want to ask you
Mhm.
how you feel about your stop loss placement.
Decent. It's
Why
good.
is it decent?
I mean, it would be good if it was above this area over here.
How much more comfortable would you feel if it was above what looks to be the lower high?
Like over here.
Yeah, like that.
Mm. Yeah, it'd be better actually. It'd be better. Would feel better.
Well, I know I'd much prefer it to be above that high. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You have got a 3-pip stop loss, which is completely fine. We're not here to cheat the market. Now, your stop loss is going to be above the level that was broken and where the wick rejections are, right? So that's also completely fine. But something that I'm going to be going over in December as well is trying to help all you traders become as comfortable as possible with your trading. If that means lowering your risk, if that means taking trades with bigger stop losses or going for 1 to 2s, that's what you're going to have to do, right? How comfortable are you with this trade, with the stop loss there? Simple question. Give me a simple answer.
I am kind of comfortable, yes.
Okay, take your trade. Make sure you put the ticks. It'll get your finger. No, press. Get your finger over. Pause. Go pause. Go pause. Go pause. Go pause.
Where?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep your cursor over pause. Okay. When we press play. What's your plans now?
Now it's to just close this trade.
Yes. Let's go.
So delete last.
Just I guess. Good.
Yeah,
Let's go.
okay.
Let's continue. Clear your charts, please. Fresh perspective.
Okay. So things have changed right now. So market has broken above this level of structure. So now my bias has changed to bullish. So now this does look like a good pause and go, to be honest with you, this one, because it broke out of this.
How much of a pause and go does it look good? What about what if price comes to here and you can't break it? Well, if this is a deep pullback into these wick rejections here and it goes down, how much is this really broken out of this level and gone up?
I would think so, because it was trying to break above the structure, then it broke with a strong momentum candle.
Okay, take the trade then.
Okay.
I'm drawing my levels where I feel you're going to have problems.
Hopefully I reach break even before I get to this area.
I hope you do as well.
Okay, so trades. Sorry. So yeah.
Somebody said
So
just press next bar to make sure this candle's closed, please.
next bar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We just buy stop.
I have no clue, bro. Let's just work like old men and just figure it ourselves.
Okay. So yeah.
Somebody said disable visual mode, but we'll do that in a minute. I'm not doing it now.
Okay, fine. So I think this is perfect. Okay. So accept. And yeah, I'm good to go. I'll go ahead.
Good luck.
Yep. Is it on break even? Break even has not been set? Okay.
Raw. You're showing me things that I never knew.
Okay. Accept. All right. Let's go.
You can't delete it, bro. Get your hand over the pause button.
No, I'm not gonna delete it.
Get your hand over the pause button. I'm being serious.
Okay.
Slow it down a bit. It's too fast. Press pause, slow it down a bit.
Yeah.
Again.
Anyone?
Again. Yeah, just play it like this. And I want you to think about your plans as the market is moving, please.
Yeah.
Good.
I think it's break even now.
Go break even. Don't use that auto break even function. You have to go to trades. You have to go to trades. You have to go and then press break even. Okay. No, don't do that. Press X.
Okay, fine. So I'll go ahead.
Yeah, of course, bro. You know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Break even trade.
Yeah, minor. Press pause. Well managed. Just continue. Yep. Just continue your trading, bro. We're still into 1 hour of the market being open. Okay, so just keep going.
Okay, fine. So new structure was created over here, and this in fact has formed a double top or double bottom for me.
Okay.
With the trend. So this seems like another trade I would take.
No. No way. There's one thing that I don't want you to do, and that's take another trade immediately after a loss. Okay. You have a range there to look out for. You have a structural high there to look out for. If you take a trade here and it flies up and you win it, I don't really care if you do, right? And I don't want you to care if you do either. I want you to be disciplined in your approach. Okay. You are not taking a trade immediately after you have taken a break-even trade or a loss. Okay.
Okay.
So let's continue.
Now I just want market to break past this level.
Nice.
Okay. I'm still biased right now.
Are you biased?
Not right. I'm just not comfortable with the candles that I'm seeing right now.
Are you bias?
Yeah.
Why? Okay, so stop. Wait, so just a second, Chatwin. Look away from the screen for 3 seconds. Take that big deep breath that you want to take. Now come back to the screens. Forget about your break-even trade. What directional bias is this market right now?
It does look like it's going to go down for sure.
Okay, I don't care what you want it to do or think it's going to do. What directional bias is the market right now?
It's ranging for me.
Okay, good. I was so surprised you even said that. It took me a minute to process it. It's just doing nothing. It's moving sideways, right?
Yeah.
So now just relax. What's the plans?
The plan is for it to break out of this consolidation.
Good man. Let's go.
Okay, break out, break back in. Okay, the market has broken out of this range. Okay, so the market is still, I'm still not getting a clear direction bias from this market because it's just moving up and down. So I'm just waiting for the highs to be broken,
Yes.
for these levels to be broken now.
Yes.
I'm still confused with the direction of the market. So I'm just gonna
Good.
wait,
I'm
see what
confused as
happens.
well with you.
So the market has broken past this level of structure. It was in this serious range. It
Yes.
has broken past the structure. It has come back.
Yes.
It left a wick rejection.
Yes.
Uh, I want to take a trade.
You want to take a trade was the first thing you said to me. So I want to know why now you don't want to take a trade.
Uh, I would want to actually wait for one more wick rejection.
Okay, good. That's what I want to hear.
Okay. Okay.
What now?
Nothing.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything now. I'm just gonna wait and see if your market's gonna give me more direction bias. Okay, so the market's broken out of its range. It's come back to test the
No.
level.
Okay.
No?
Okay. No, that's fine. That's fine. I just don't want to hear. I don't want to hear you making up stories. I want to know concrete evidence as to what you're telling me. Okay.
Okay. So the market's come back to test these the highs of this consolidation. So I'm just gonna see if I get a momentum candle now towards my side because I don't like this bullish candle.
Okay.
Hmm.
What time does London close, please? We're at
That,
10, 11, 12. So we've got what? We've got 2 is 20. We've got 42 minutes left, right?
yeah,
Cool. All right.
42 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right.
42
Okay, so
minutes. 42 minutes left of this hour. Then we move on to the next London session.
Mhm. Okay.
No
So
problem, Freddie.
now,
Appreciate you letting us know, bro.
so I'm waiting for a perfect break and retest. So I'm just waiting for the market to come down to this level of structure that it broke to give me some rejections so I can
Okay.
go higher. Okay, this seems nice, but I'm gonna wait for one more wick rejection or a momentum candle. Okay, yeah, I think I would go for. I would
Can you
go
bring
for.
everything to the center, please? Bring everything to the center, please.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry. I'm just gonna go for a buy stop on this one.
Okay.
Okay, so 1.8, 5.4. Okay, fine. So yeah, I will play.
Good luck.
Thank you. I just want to see if I set my.
No, don't worry about the auto break even, please. In terms
Yeah.
of management, just tell me something, please. In terms of management, what are you thinking here?
Uh, I actually, if I was using the trading panel, I would have put this down to 50%, the
Do
stop
it then.
loss.
Do it then. I think it's a great idea. The market is moving in your direction. You don't have to wait for the price. You have to press trades and modify. You don't have to wait for the price to come and hit your stop loss anymore. What you're suspecting now is that the market is going to continue pushing in your direction. Okay, so modify and then just move that stop loss. Well done, bro. Well done. Nice management.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Go. Yes. Come on. Break even. Perfect.
Press pause. Let's go.
Yeah.
And now manage it to break even. Oh, you've done break even already.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
auto break even.
Okay. Sorry for getting involved.
Come on. Hit that. Hit that. Yes.
Yes! My
Right.
guy. My guy. My guy. Woo! My guy.
All right.
We traded for 3 hours. He was patient. I say we, I say you. Was trading for 3 hours. You was patient. You followed the behavior. You waited for the breaks. You adjusted. You tweaked. Oh man, bro, that's just made me so happy, man. You're gonna see yourself on my Instagram tomorrow. That was just too beautiful, bro. Seriously, man. To me, that was just beautifully managed. Everything about it. Stop loss to half. Oh man. You know, it's these moments like this that just make me so happy, man. It really does. Well done, bro. Well done. Let's move on to the next day.
Okay, this looks nice.
What looks nice about it?
This seems like a perfect break and retest.
Okay.
Uh,
What else?
but I'm hesitating because of this green candle over here.
Why?
So it just seems too bullish right now. Although it just seems bullish right now. So I'm just gonna see what the next candle is.
Okay.
I mean, right now, if I enter the trade,
Yes.
if you enter the trade right now, my stop loss would be too big. Okay, I would go for this trade right now because
What's
it seems
changed?
like
What's changed?
oh no, this seems like a possible double top.
Okay.
Seems like a possible double top.
Yep.
Yeah. So I would I would place a sell stop.
Okay. Before you take this trade,
Yeah,
set that. Let me ask you something that's a bit contradictory to what you just told me a minute ago. What size is your stop loss range right now?
I would have gone 50% by now. I would have reduced my stop loss for sure.
Okay.
So modify. Yeah, over here, right?
Yes, my bro.
That is broken below this level of structure, so it would be
Listen, just forget it. You're in the trade at break even. Relax. Take your cursor off pause. Yeah, just take your hand off the mouse, sit back and relax, bro. You win, you break even. Simple as.
Okay.
Just breathe, take your time, just relax. Okay? Here's what it is now. I just want to say I'm super impressed with your trade management. Absolutely unbelievable.
Come on.
Relax. Forget about it. Forget about it, bro. Just breathe. Woosah. Did you trade live today?
No, I was busy with college.
Okay.
Just paper trade. Yes.
My man, let's go. Woo! You're taking the piss. Listen to me. Chatwin.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're taking the biscuit, bro. You got super gassed.
Thanks.
Got me gassed.
Ooh.
You got me gassed. Man.
I mean, it's a whole different game when you use the ticks. Like you don't feel as nervous when you click the next bar, but when you click on ticks, it's really
Yeah, it brings those nerves in, and that's why I said move your hand off the pause button, just breathe. Let's try and talk about something and just wait for it to happen, man. Beautiful. Move on to the next day. Screw it. We don't need to trade no more. Go to the hourly. Move on to the next day.
Okay. So from what I see right now, this market was in a range. It broke past this range. It broke past this range. It came back for a retest with a wick rejection. This could have this candle would have hesitated to take
no one cares. No one cares, Chatwin. Yeah. This is your time to trade. No one cares. Yeah. What's your plans? Woulda, coulda, shoulda, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
So right now, yes, that's what I want to hear. Right now, what's our plans?
My plan is for price to come back to this level, give me a clean, beautiful double top, or else just break below this level.
Okay.
And we start with a new trend to the downside.
Okay, good. The session will end at past, Freddie.
Okay. Okay.
Talk
I
to
like the
me.
wick rejection. I like the wick rejections.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna wait for a momentum candle to not
Okay.
to the downside. Oh my God. Okay, I'm taking this trade.
Okay. Why are you taking this trade? Sorry.
Because there were bullish candles with big projections, and then I see this red candle with a momentum a red candle to the downside.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, this tells me that the market is respecting this level.
Uh-huh.
That's what I think. So now I'm just gonna go for a sell stop.
Okay. Cool. It works for me. Chatwin,
Okay.
listen,
Yep.
when you
Yep.
take a deep breath like that,
Yep.
just remember, today is only Tuesday. Even if you lose one trade a day for the next 4 days, you will still end the week in profit. To get a free retry on FTMO,
Mm-hmm.
you only need to be in profit. If you were trading one FTMO account and risking 500, you will still be making 500 by the end of this week. If you were risking 1% on one account, you will still be up £1,000 at the end of this week. Sorry, $1,000 at the end of this week. If you were trading 3 accounts, you will still be up $3,000 by the end of this week. Put things into perspective, bro, and don't put too much emphasis on your trades. Look at the
Mm-hmm.
bigger picture here. Right now, you are sitting on cloud 9. The
Yeah.
position you are in right now with your 5% up and it only being Tuesday is next level. And in theory, you may not even lose the whole of this trade. You may even lose 0.5%. So you're still in a very good position. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's just relax, breathe, press play when you're ready, and let's see what happens.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm closing this trade. I've not been triggered. The market is doing something else, so I'm just gonna.
Well done, dude. Well done. Great management.
Okay. So now the market has done something else altogether. It has gone up. So now I'm still not sure what it wants to do. I'm
Okay.
waiting for a clear directional bias.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead.
So, Chatwin, what 2 levels are we working with, please? So I understand what I'm looking for.
Okay, so now I'm waiting for market to break the structure.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I see market has created this high over here. So if price goes to this level again,
Mm-hmm.
I will go short.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah,
Is this a new level or is this level part of this level also?
it's
Very
part of
important.
this level.
Okay, so
So
would that make it a double top if it comes back?
if it comes over here,
Yeah, if it comes back
yeah,
again, is it going to be a double top or what's it going to be? What pattern would it be?
double top. Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you that question one more time. If this price action is part of this behavior here,
Mm-hmm.
or at the same level as this behavior here, this is one
Yeah.
tap and this is 2 taps. What pattern is
Yeah.
this?
That's the double top. Yeah.
If it comes back again, what pattern is this?
Triple top. Yeah.
Do you take triple tops and downtrends? And if you do, you can take the trade. I'm just asking you the question.
No, I'm actually don't take triple tops.
Okay, so
I want to say this is a triple top, but I feel like this has not done enough for it to go up. So for me, it would be a double top.
okay, so just because it hasn't done enough for you, would you still disregard the fact that the price has reacted to this level?
Yes, that's a good point.
Because I
I think
wouldn't
this is
disregard it. I wouldn't disregard it personally. If I've got in the back of my mind risk before reward, and I'm always looking for a reason not to take a trade as opposed to taking a trade, would you say right now we have more reason to look for a trade or more reason to just wait for a trade because of how prices reacted?
I think we have more reason to look for a trade because prices have come down and it's given us 2 wick rejections. So I'm
Do your
tempted to
thing.
take a trade. I'm
Yep.
tempted to take a trade.
No, I'm not saying now. You said you're waiting for a double top. So why would you take
Yeah,
a trade now?
yeah. So let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, I think this is good enough because the market's gone to this level with wick rejections. It's gone up and it's come down. It's given this indecision kind of a candle over here. So I think I'm gonna go and short this market. Price is ranging. Okay, there was a breakout break back in. I'm gonna play it to see how this works.
Wait. Press pause.
Hmm.
Hold on a minute.
Yeah.
If you was looking at this market structure and you saw that price was ranging and it broke to the upside, what would you say?
I would wait for the break of this consolidation.
Okay, so we've had the break of the consolidation. What would you say next? What would you be looking for?
Uh, yeah, I would be looking for buys. I would wait
Okay,
for a perfect break and retest.
so how would you go from a range now to a perfect break and retest to now keeping your sell limit in there just because you see a red candle? Like, does that make sense to you?
Absolutely, yeah, it does. Yeah.
You're holding this
Uh,
trade. You're holding this trade because you want to hold it because you see a red candle. But if you saw this going up, would you still hold it?
no.
So do you need to see a red candle in order to? Do you really need to see this red candle in order to make a decision whether you hold it or not?
Uh,
It should have been cancelled once price broke above and closed.
correct. Yeah.
All right.
I was going to cancel it, then I saw this red candle form.
Yeah,
So I
but
was,
but yeah, but
yeah.
if you was in the live markets and it wasn't going as fast as it was, and you saw this break and close above, would you not cancel it straight away? Or would you wait
Definitely.
another whole minute to see price trigger you in and then fly up?
Yeah. No, definitely opposite for sure.
Okay, so when you're back testing, you need to make sure that you just doing things properly, right? It broke, closed
Yeah.
above a consolidation, close the order, move on. You're still 5% up. Think about that.
Uh, I'm tempted to go short. I'm tempted. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait because this is this okay. My previously this was I wanted to take a double top and go short, but then the market was ranging, and now the market broke out and broke back in. Okay, telling me that the sellers might still be in control. Okay, but again, I see this area as a very strong area, so I'm just gonna wait to see what price does.
Okay.
Nothing for now.
Okay.
Okay. So market was ranging between this in this area. It came down with a momentum candle. Um, okay. I don't trade pause and go, so I'm not going to do it. I'm
Okay.
just going to wait for my thing, either a
Okay.
perfect retest and see what happens.
Okay.
Okay, market has come back to test that area after wick rejection. So now I would want to see more wick rejections or a momentum
Sure.
candle to downside.
Sure.
So now I'm just going to wait. Actually, the market has gone on top. It has broken past level structure. So I'm just going to wait and see what happens. No plans. Now it's just stuck in between. So now for me to even want to trade this market, I'm going
Good. I
to
like it. That's what I want to hear,
just going to.
man. Why would you want to trade this market when you're 5% up already? Who cares?
So now for me to take a. Okay, market has broken below. Technically, it's still in a downtrend. So now for me to, I want a level to work off of.
Wait,
So
wait. How is it in a
yeah.
downtrend when your lower structure level is at 13, 17, 9? Why would it be there if you're still in a downtrend? Because what did you say
Why
to
would
me
it be
just a
here?
minute
You
ago?
said
Yeah, you said the market is doing what right now?
it's just ranging.
Yeah, so don't move your level to find the level that you want a level to be at. If it's ranging, it's ranging. What do we wait for? Ranges? We wait for a break above or below retest continuation. So that's all you're waiting for, bro. Just kick
Yeah,
back, press next bar, man. Have a cigar, do something. Like just relax. Just wait
yeah.
for price to just tell you what he wants to do. There you go, my man. You said it was ranging.
Okay.
Okay.
Finally a break.
Mm-hmm.
See what happens. Okay, I'm waiting for the retest of structure
Mm-hmm.
or double bottom.
Okay. So Juan, I like what you just said there. The key to succeed in this environment is to be connected with the universe. That's really powerful, bro. I hope you're a bro. That's really powerful.
Okay. So the market has broken out of range and it has come back for a retest. It's left a wick rejection behind.
Uh-huh.
I'm just gonna wait for another rejection or a momentum candle.
Okay.
It just works on me. So I'm just gonna yeah, I'm gonna buy stop. I'm taking a buy stop because market has come back to retest and has left two wick rejections.
Mm-hmm.
So
I'm just going to tell you. I'm just tell you one reservation that I have with this trade, only because I focus on current price action. Is anytime price breaks below a structural low, I always fear a potential retest of this structure, a low, lower high continuation downtrend. The only reason why I don't take these deep pullbacks, especially when they break structure. Okay, that's the only thing I'm going to say on this trade, but it's down to you to take it. All right. Wait.
I will reduce my stop loss.
Okay, good. You're in this trade. You've taken a buy. What are you waiting for the market to do?
Go up, yeah.
At this stage in time, are you hoping the market goes up, or do you believe it's going up?
I'm hoping.
In a hope situation, okay, we trigger a fight or flight. If you were to fight or flight, what would you choose? Would you hold the trade or would you close the trade?
I probably would close the trade, yeah. I would close the trade for sure.
I'm just showing you, listen, I'm just showing you an absolute solid approach to risk management. You can leave the trade open and hope that it goes up, even though there's a lot of signs to indicate that there's bearish momentum. You lose 0.5% or you lose 0.2%. Are you hoping or are you going to take the 0.5% loss?
Okay, after all the evidence that has been gathered, I would close the trade.
Would you really?
Okay, another thing that I'm hoping for is for this to be a possible double bottom. Now, the way this candle looks, and it looks like a nice wick rejection over here.
It's not about yep. It's not about yep, right? It's just what current situation you're in, what looks realistic. And today, what did we do on the live session? We closed 2 losing trades at half our risk. For a potential reward of 6R, 2 opportunities, we risked 2% in total, but we only lost 1% for a potential return of 6R because we were realistic. We never said to ourselves, guess what? It's going to go up because we want it to go up. Even though that final trade that I took, that I closed at 50%, guess what? It never hit stop loss. That went to take profit. But I wasn't pissed about it because guess what? I rather not lose a full percent when I don't need to, when the sign's already there telling me that the market's not going in my direction. So on occasions, I could have held that trade open with my original stop loss and it would hit take profit. But what I know from experience is more often than not, that if price doesn't go down and then starts to turn back against me, more often than not, it hits my stop loss. So how was I supposed to guess today that guess what? It would have hit take profit. Do you understand? John Wick said it. I don't trade based on a hope and pray strategy. I trade based on what is in front of us, okay? So anyway, let's continue. You're still in profit. Now, somebody said in the chat, oh, just leave it open because you're already playing with profits. You're not playing with profits, Daz. Yes, you're not losing money. You're not playing with profits, though. Because if you were risking 1% on your FTMO account, on a 100K account, that would have been $5,000, bro. That's not just profit, man. That's life-changing money. And that's week 1. If that was 3 accounts, bro, that's 15 grand. That's not just profits, bro. That's serious money. So we don't want to be like, oh, we're just playing with profits. If we get back to break even, it is what it is. We'll continue. You have to just be realistic, removing the monetary aspect, regardless whether you're in profit or not.
So the market has come back to the structure. Mm, okay, I'm just gonna see what the next candle is.
Okay.
Gonna play it up. It is ranging. It's gone up.
What's your bias, please?
Uh, okay. So right now my bias would be. It was ranging for a bit.
Okay.
It was ranging. It has broken out of this range. So now I'm just gonna look for a retracement.
For what?
Uh, uh, Break and retest.
For what? A buy?
A buy. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so market has broken below. I mean, okay, wait, it's not yet broken properly. I'm just waiting for market to break below the structure to confirm my bias. Okay, I'm looking for sells now.
Okay. Okay, listen. Today's choppy. Move on to the next day, please.
Okay.
You ready?
Market's broken past the consolidation. It has come back for a retest, left a wick rejection. But I would wait for one more confirmation, either another rejection or the momentum candle.
Good. Good. That's all we need to say, man. We'll just wait for one more wick rejection. If we get it, we take it. If we don't, we don't. It doesn't have to do anything.
Yeah, patience is key. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
this candle is a bit small.
Good. Done. Move on. That's it. Move on. There you go.
Okay.
Follow your gut.
Okay.
Follow your
So,
instincts, bro.
yeah, plans on hold now. Just gonna wait. Okay. All right. Now, okay, I obviously missed this, so I'm just gonna wait
No,
for
wait. What did you miss?
Yeah. I mean, I didn't miss it.
Okay, so don't say you missed it. You didn't. It
Yeah.
just there wasn't an opportunity to take a trade. It is what it is, bro. I'm telling you, this business that we are in is nothing but mindset. So, man, I missed a trade. No, you didn't, bro. You just didn't take a trade. That's it. Simple. Let's continue. You have 6 minutes to take a trade. If one develops, we'll take one. If we don't, guess what?
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Yes, sir.
Okay, so break card, break back in, nothing, not doing anything. Just waiting for market to give me a clear directional bias.
You have 3 levels, which is confusing me.
Sorry.
You got 3 levels on the market, so you only have to remove one. Yeah, nice, bro. That's exactly what I would have done. What are you thinking?
I'm tempted to take this pause and go.
Wait, hold on. Hold on.
Yeah.
Why are you taking a pause and go?
Because it was ranging for quite some time, and there is momentum push to the downside, and then it will follow by this candle.
Chatwin.
Yeah.
You are already 4.4% up.
Yeah.
You're in the money, bro. So you told me 30 minutes ago you don't take a trade. You don't take pause and goes. That means you don't take pause and goes now.
Yeah.
Let it go. Move on. You're just waiting for what you are looking for. Just keep going. And I couldn't care less if this drops 100 pips. You were never meant to take it because it's not a pattern you trade.
So now I'm just going to wait for a retest for price to come back.
That's better.
Yep.
That's better, bro.
Okay. Break out, break back in with a momentum push.
Mm-hmm.
It's covered like 3/4 of the green candle. So I'm going to go for it. And this is going to be a limit order.
Don't press play yet. Don't press play yet.
Okay.
We still got 30 seconds till the candle closes, right? Explain this trade to me.
So market was in this range for a bit. It was consolidating till it finally broke out, and it came back to test its previous structure. It came in. It entered with a big momentum green candle and came back out. So there seems to be like another wick rejection, and there's also a momentum push to the downside if you look at it. So I also my plan. So I would want to go short.
Okay. Are you not concerned about a break-even range?
I think I should be break even.
You will be?
So,
Okay. Are you not? Do you just disregard the fact that I say that a candle side by side is break even, is an indecision candle?
yeah.
No, no, no. It's not. It's not. It's not. Yeah, bro. Like, if you feel, because look, I could say all that I'm saying. This could fly down, right? I'm not going to change what I believe in.
Hmm. Hmm.
But is this red candle the candle that has told you I should be selling?
Yeah, because now it's telling me that it broke out, break back in, telling me that the sellers are still actually in control.
So why are you not going in with confidence and placing your sell stop? Or actually, nothing to do with confidence. Why are you not taking a sell stop?
Uh, Either stop loss
Oh,
because this candle is big.
okay, cool. All right then, bro. Take your trade. I believe in you. What's your thoughts?
Disappointed.
No,
Didn't
why?
like it. Because the market broke back into range, I thought it would go down because of this red candle, momentum candle, and like following the rules of the break and retest.
Just think about what I'm asking you. So the reason why I'm asking this question is because let's just imagine now you were trading live in the markets and I wasn't here. Nobody else was here, right?
Yeah,
Would you want to stir up emotions that really shouldn't exist? Do you understand? Like those conflicting emotions is what really messes you up. And when you start grasping onto those emotions, gripsing onto those emotions, whatever the word is, right? Guess what
yeah,
happens? Your mind starts to get distorted, and then now you're going to take a buy, then the market's going to go down, then you're going to take a sell, then the market's going to react to this level, then the market's going to go up, and before you know it, you've lost 2, 3, 4 trades in a row because you had conflicting emotions at this stage. So you can't be disappointed and then say that I would have accepted it and then say, guess what? I don't know where I'm at now with my feelings. No, I'm being super serious, bro. This is not even a live session, and look how you're feeling. Imagine if you feel like this now because you're trying to do things properly, how you'd actually feel in the live markets. If at this stage you were doing a mentor session with somebody from the community, would you tell this person that they were ready to take FTMO now or not?
he's still not sure about
He's okay, fine.
war.
He's also what?
Sure, confident.
Good. That okay, fine. That will do. I think the way we have to look at this, if he's not sure and he's not confident, what else? What would we sum that up as in one? Emotional.
Yeah, emotional.
Mm.
Yeah,
And what do we talk about in terms of traders being emotional? How much does it affect your trading?
a lot. You got to remove that
Yeah.
completely.
Tell me, even though you've made 10K profit, what Chatwin could do in the next coming months to double that income.
Okay. First thing I'd say is FOMO is what he suffers from, and he needs to work on that. He needs to be a bit more patient, and he needs to trust the process and that things will play out the way it's supposed to play out, and not anticipate what's going to happen next. And yeah, just be patient and have fun trading. You shouldn't doubt yourself, and whatever plans you had, whatever how you want to take your entries, that you should stick to that, and you should not deviate from that just because you think the trade's going to go without you.
Fine. That's the technical side. Now, emotional side.
If you know what you're doing, if you trust the process, just believe in yourself, and it will happen.
Okay.
You know?
So if you believe in yourself, right?
Yep.
Okay. If you don't believe in yourself, what should you do?
You should work on yourself. You should go back to before you go on to live markets. You should get that confidence again. Trust the process. Go do it over and over again until you have that confidence and you trust yourself again.
And finally, from the psychological aspect, let's say long-term perspective, what can Chatwin do for long-term perspective to help him make money?
Don't rush this process.
Good.
Don't rush the process.